How to reverse audio in WavePad. First of all, open the WavePad Audio Editor on your computer. Next, open the audio file you want to reverse by clicking on the File menu and selecting Open File, or simply press Ctrl+O for quick access. Once your audio file is loaded into the editor, select the part of the audio you want to reverse by clicking and dragging over the waveform. If you want to reverse the entire file, just make sure all of it is selected. Then, go to the Effects tab located at the top toolbar. From the list of effects, find and click on the Reverse option. WavePad will immediately process the selected audio and play it backwards. Finally, save your audio file by clicking on File and then Save As to keep the original file safe. And that's it. Now you know how to reverse audio in WavePad. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.